Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the language on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open Settings, then go to General Management. From here, just tap on Language. Now to change the language, just tap on Add Language. And from here, just select any language from this list. For an example, I will select this language. Now from here, just select the region of your language. Now just select Set as Default. Now once you do that, you will change the language on your smartphone. Just like that. Now to change the language back to English, just go to Settings. Now instead of your second language, just select your main language and tap on Apply. Now you can also add multiple languages and you can switch between them from the Settings app. Just like that. And this is how you can change the language on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.